In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar on Evernote. We're going to walk through this step by step on the Evernote web app, so go ahead and open Evernote in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main Evernote dashboard, look towards the top corner of the screen for your profile section. Depending on your version, this may appear as your profile picture, your initials in a small circle, or your account name. This is the personal area where you manage your account and app preferences. Click on your profile name or icon. When you do, a small menu will open. This menu is where Evernote groups all of your account-related options, such as upgrading, logging out, and, most importantly for us, accessing your settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings page. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. The settings area is where you control how Evernote behaves, things like appearance, notifications, and integrations. Since we're focusing on the calendar integration, we're going to look for the calendar specific section. Inside the settings page, find and click on the option labeled Calendar. This might appear in a sidebar or in a list of categories. Selecting Calendar tells Evernote you want to manage how your calendar connects and how events interact with your notes. Once you click it, you should see options related to linking external calendars such as Google Calendar or other supported services, along with any calendars you may have already connected. Within the calendar settings, look for a section called Connected Calendars. Go ahead and click on Connected Calendars. This is the central place where Evernote lists all calendars that are currently linked to your account. If you haven't connected any yet, this area may be empty or it may prompt you to add a calendar. From here, you'll typically see options to add a new calendar connection, choose which calendars to sync, and sometimes customize how events appear in Evernote. This is where you'll manage those connections going forward, whether you're adding a new calendar, reviewing existing ones, or disconnecting something you no longer use. And that's it. By following these steps, opening your profile, going into settings, selecting calendar, and then opening the connected calendars section, you're in the right place to link and manage your calendars inside Evernote.